Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG on mobile. First, you will need to download the official PUBG mobile application from your device's app store. It's available on both iOS and Android platforms. Make sure your phone has at least 2 GB of RAM and a stable internet connection for the best experience. Once installed, simply launch the game and either create a new account or log in with an existing one to begin your adventure. Now, let's talk about the basic controls. You'll use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move your character around the map. The right side is for controlling your camera view and aiming. Tapping the large button on the right will fire your weapon, while the smaller button next to it lets you aim down sights. Don't forget to utilize the crouch, prone, and jump buttons for strategic positioning and evasion. Looting is crucial for survival in PUBG Mobile. When you land, quickly gather weapons, armor, and medical supplies. Your backpack has limited space, so prioritize what you pick up. For example, carrying 200 rounds of 5.56mm ammunition is often more useful than 300 rounds of 9mm if you only have an M4. Always look for better attachments and higher-level armor to improve your chances. In combat, situational awareness is key. Always listen for enemy footsteps and gunshots to pinpoint their location. When engaging, use natural cover like trees or rocks or man-made structures to protect yourself. Avoid standing in open areas for too long. If you're playing with a squad, communicate constantly, sharing enemy positions and coordinating your pushes. Remember, the last team standing wins, so play smart and survive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.